With St. Lucia gearing up for the ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup and Carnival celebrations, the Ministry of Health is reminding residents about the importance of safe sexual practices. Health officials highlight the prevalence of sexually transmitted infections in St. Lucia. They warn that increased social gatherings and alcohol consumption can lead to risky behavior.
According to the World Health Organization, more than 1 million sexually transmitted infections, STIs, are acquired every day worldwide, the majority of which have no signs nor symptoms. Sexually transmitted diseases, STDs, are caused by sexually transmitted infections that are spread mainly by sexual contact. STIs are caused by some bacteria, viruses, or parasites. A sexually transmitted infection may pass from person to person in blood, semen, or vaginal and other bodily fluids. Sometimes sexually transmitted infections are spread in ways other than sexual contact. For example, STIs can spread to infants during pregnancy or childbirth. STIs can also be spread through blood transfusions or shed needles.
The Health Ministry, which stressed protecting oneself from STIs, recommend 3 main strategies.
Sexually transmitted diseases such as chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis, HIV, and hepatitis B and C do exist in St. Lucia. As we attend parties, fetes, and shows, we are likely to engage in activities outside of our comfort zone, especially after consuming alcohol. The Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs cautions the public against being easily influenced or persuaded by peer pressure and music. It is your basic human right to protect yourself against sexually transmitted infections and unwanted pregnancies. You can do so by A. Abstaining. B. Be faithful, have one sexual partner. C. Condom use. When used correctly and consistently, condoms offer one of the most effective methods of protection against STIs, including HIV and unwanted pregnancies.
Officials assure residents that free condoms are readily available at all public health facilities, including community wellness centers and the infectious disease unit. For those concerned about potential exposure to STI, the ministry encourages seeking testing and treatment. Testing services are available at the sexual and reproductive health clinics and local wellness centers.
Condoms obtained from any of our public health facilities are available to the public free of charge. This includes all community wellness centers around the island, as well as the infectious diseases unit at the Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs. If you believe you may have been exposed to a sexually transmitted infection, or that you may have a sexually transmitted infection, you can access testing and care services through the Sexual and Reproductive Health Clinics at the Cicero and Viewfort Wellness Centers. In addition, you can access assessment services through the medical clinics at your local wellness center, or, if you prefer, you should visit your private doctor. Sexual health is as important as heart health, mental health, skin health, and oral health. Always be prepared and be safe.
St. Lucians are encouraged to prioritize their health and safety during the upcoming festivities. By following the ministry's recommendations, health officials say citizens can enjoy the celebrations while mitigating potential health risks. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.